Hello everyone, I'm Trace from Polkworld. April 1st, 2022. Phala won Polkadot's 13th patron slot auction and connected to the Polkadot relay chain. Became a Polkadot patron. So what's different about this patron? Phala's official website says that Phala Network is a confidentiality layer for Web3 developers. Yes, Phala Network defines itself as a privacy smart contract execution platform in the Polkadot ecosystem. So what is a privacy smart contract execution platform? I'll give an explanation first. On the blockchains, all the information uploaded to the block is open and transparent. That is to say, smart contracts can be seen by everyone. If someone don't want their smart contracts to be seen, is there any way to solve this problem? At this time, a privacy smart contract execution platform is needed, such as Phala Network. Phala combines TEE and blockchain, complementing the advantages of both to form a secure and efficient distributed computing cloud. TEE is short for Trusted Execution Environment. That is an environment for executing code, in which those executing the code can have high levels of trust in that surrounding environment because it can ignore threats from the rest of the device. In simple terms, it is to open up a separate space in the CPU for you to execute the program. It not only solves certain data collection problems, but also solves some problems of data interactive retrieval between smart contracts. There are 4 roles in the Phala economic model. The first one is called gatekeeper. This role needs to be online for a long time and also to lock a certain amount of files. That is to say, gatekeeper needs to deal with block generation and so on. Of course, locked files do not need to come from yourself. Part of the tokens can come from the second role, called the nominator. That is to say, as a nominator, you can vote for whomever gatekeepers you trust, so that half of the revenue obtained by the gatekeeper will also be distributed to you. Of course, when the gatekeeper gets slashed, you will also be slashed. These are the first 2 roles. The third role is called T-miner, which is dedicated to executing smart contracts and provides a smart contract execution environment. Its characteristic is that you don't have to be online all the time. As long as you can perform corresponding operations online, you can get a certain amount of file rewards. The fourth role is called Phala DAO, which is community governance. One's power in DAO comes from the amount of staked files. Phala adopts a distributed computing architecture that separates computation and consensus. Thanks to the flexibility of the T, Phala achieves highly scalable confidential cloud computing. Many people got to know Phala because of its distinctive privacy feature and innovative blockchain plus secure enclave architecture. However, data privacy is just one of the basic features mentioned in Phala Network's white paper. Their vision is to become the world's largest P2P computing network. That is a standard decentralized computing cloud based on Web3. In addition, Phala Network also launched Fat Contract and Phala World. Fat Contract is a kind of decentralized program which supports real-time computation-intensive tasks and has access to all the services, even if they are out of the blockchains. Phala World is a gamification layer on top of Phala Network. Meanwhile, Phala World is one of the best application cases of Fat Contract. On one hand, it ensures that Phala World is truly decentralized and trustless through its computing power plus confidentiality. On the other hand, only Fat Contract has the ability to solve storage and high-speed processing of massive data, connect AR and distributed storage solutions, provide low-latency responses for user requests, and truly realize the vision of the Web3 metaverse. So if you are interested, you can refer to their official website for details. And that's all for today's brief introduction to Phala Network. If it is helpful to you, just like it and subscribe to us. See you next time!